There is a compost pit in my backyard, but it's not dug too deep as a lot of peacocks, peahens, and even their babies come to eat the vegetable waste. Recently, I started giving them bajra, also called pearl millet. One day, only vegetable peels were put, and I forgot to put bajra. To my surprise, the peacock came to my bedroom window to ask, "Hello, hello, today only peels? No bajra?" Peahens are still okay having peels, but the day I forget to put bajra or I wake up little late, Peacock is there at the window demanding his breakfast. It is a request to all of you to segregate waste and start composting, especially if you have a ground floor house. These beautiful birds and animals will surely start visiting your garden.